Can we get the lights on the crowd, please? You can see everyone. There you go. Are you all okay over here? You good? You having a good time? Hello? Does anybody like dolphins? Don't go to SeaWorld. Yes, sir. Okay. Now, everybody put their hands in the air. Both hands. I'd like you to clap them together. No. Well, I haven't finished. I'd like to clap them together to this beat. Keep going. So you can do that. This is good. There's a dad over there refusing to clap his hands. Alright. So this. It was actually a different dad, but that's fine. He wasn't clapping either. Pretend you're at the Eagles. Now then, I would like you to stamp your feet. Say, yeah, you're very good at clapping your hands. Okay. I want everybody to stamp their feet to the same beat. Okay. Now, when I tell you to clap your hands and stomp your feet, you're going to do it at exactly the same time. And it's not because I'm the boss, it's because you're very, very nice people. This is Blue Guy.